Good morning, ma'am. This is Harini from CSC second year B section in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. My roll number is 244G580507. Today my topic is optimal binary search. What is optimal binary search tree? The optimal binary search tree is a concept in dynamic programming and is used to construct a binary search tree that minimizes the expected search cost when elements have different probabilities of being accessed. This type of tree is especially important in applications like databases where some data items are accessed more than frequently. We can use optimal binary search to find the optimal shortest paths, and it is used in databases. The cost for successful search of an identifier AI is probabilities of successful search into level of A of I into P of I into level A of I. The cost of unsuccessful search is equals to A of I into level of E of I minus 1. The expected cost of BST is equal to sigma P of I into level of E of I plus sigma Q of I into level of E of I minus 1, where E is the external node and P is profit. External node means the leaf nodes of that parent node or root node of that tree. An optimal binary search tree is a binary search tree that minimizes the expected search time for a given set of keys and access probabilities. Optimal binary search tree is a type of binary search tree designed to minimize the expected search cost, especially when the probability of searching for each key is known beforehand. This tree structure is usually in cases where some items are more likely to be searched than others, allowing the tree to be optimized based on this frequency. That means we can easily access the data, or we can find the shortest path to reach that data. Properties of the optimal binary search tree. Each internal node represents a key. Left subtree contains keys less than the node's key. That means if it is in root node, then the child node means the child node is less than that root node. It is placed in the left side of that root node. Right subtree contains keys greater than the node's key. That means the child node is greater than the root node if that node is placed in the right side of the root node. Leaf nodes presents unsuccessful searches. Key concepts of optimal binary search tree. Axis probability. Probability of searching for a specific key. Search cost. Sum of access probabilities along search path. Expected search time. Average time to search for a. That means we can expect the shortest path. That time is called expected search time. Applications of the optimal binary search tree. Database indexing, file organization, data compression, compilers. Data indexing means we access the large data in simple way. That means we can use optimal binary search. Or file organizations. In large files or more files, we can find the easy way to search our file. In large files, we can use optimal binary search tree. Example of binary search tree. Find optimal binary search tree for identifiers A1, A2, A3 equals do if while. If these A1, A2, A3 equals to do if while are keys of that optimal binary search tree. P1, P2, P3 equals to 0.5, 0.1, 0.05 is the profits of that tree. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 equals to 0.15, 0.1, 0.05, 0.05 is the external nodes of that root node. That means leaf nodes are last nodes of that tree. Number of possible binary search trees for a number of identifiers equals to the formula for binary search trees possible ways. 2n Cn by n plus 1 equals to 6c3 by 4 equals to 20 by 4 equals to 5. That means in this problem 5 ways are there to construct a optimal binary search tree. Firstly, we can take as while. While is a root node. If is less than that while node, that time we can place it left side of that while root node. Do is less than that if node. That's why we can place it as the do is left side of the if. That means we can take it as alphabetical order. And E1, E2, E3 or E4 are external nodes of the T1 root, T1 optimal binary search tree, where cost of this T1 search tree equals to 0.05 into 1. That means profit of while 0.05 into level of that while into 1 equals to 1. That means 0.05 into 1. We can take it as a profits. That's why we can the key values we can add profits and level of that node. In external nodes we taken the value of that external node and less than level minus 1. In T1 cost equals to 2.65. That means 0.05 into 1 is profit of while plus 0.1 into 2. This is 0.1 is the profit of if and 2 is the level of that if. 0.5 into 3. 0.5 is profit of do and 3 is the level of do. 0.15 into 3. 0.15 is value of external node E1 and 3 is the level minus 1 of E1. 0.1 into 3. 0.1 in 1 is value of E2 and 3 is the level minus 1 of E2. 0.05 is the value of E3 and 2 is the level minus 1 of E3. 0.05 into 1. 0.05 is value of E4 and 1 is the level minus 1 of E4. Total cost equals to 2.65 for the T1. And T2 is if is root node and do is less than that if node. That means we can place it on left side of that if, and while is greater than that if node. That's why we can place it as right side. The cost of the T2 is 1.9 and it calculates as same as the T1. T3 is do it as root node if is greater than that do. That's why you can place it as right side of that node. And while is greater than the if node and it is placed on the right side of that if node. And the cost of the if T3 with 1.5 and it calculates the same as the T1. And T4 in T4 while is root node and do is less than the while node. You can place it to do is left side of that node and take it if as child node for do parent node. If is less than the do then greater than the do. That's why we can place it as right side. Cost of T4 is equals to 2.15. T5 do is root node while is greater than that root node. Do is while is placed in the right side of that do. If is less than that while node, that means while if is placed in the left side of that while node. Cost of T5 is 1.6. In these five ways, T3 is the least optimal binary search tree. It takes less time. That means it is the optimal path of that tree of that 5 ways. The optimal binary search tree performs also tabulation method, storing intermediate table. The tabulation method formula is W. In the tabulation method means it is the another way of to find the optimal binary search tree. It takes less time. Its formula is W of I comma J. equals to W of I comma j minus 1 plus P of j plus Q of j. C of I comma j equals to minimum of C of I comma k minus 1 plus C of k comma j plus W of I comma j. R of I comma j equals to k. Conclusion of the optimal binary search tree. The conclusion of an optimal binary search tree is that it provides an efficient way to organize and search for data when the access frequency of different elements in advance. By constructing a binary search tree when frequently accessed elements are closer to the root, an optimal binary search tree minimizes the overall searching cost, resulting in improved efficiency compared to a standard binary search tree. Thank you, ma'am.